favorite Chef Ricardo cooking program. Well, we're not going to cook today. I'm just going to simply show you guys that if you're already in the park watching my video or at home, remember, have water with you. It is very important. The time is so hot. You know, I want to say, the weather is beautiful, really nice, but the time is really hot. So I'm just asking you, please, can you just drink a lot of water? If not, if you're watching my video, you can also blend yourself a nice drink. Remember, you can save money, even make your own ice at home. Instead of you have to go to the shop and buy ice for like for £5 or £3. You can make yourself some ice. You can also boil some water in with your kettle, make it cool down, put it in a container and freeze it and save money. Also, remember, you can also get this back, freeze it, bring it with you to work and have it to drink. This is what I come from Chef Ricardo. Please visit my website at chefricardo.co.uk, or you can go on my website, sign up for free, leave your comments, you might win and mixer. Enjoy the recipe, enjoy it, enjoy my videos, enjoy everything what I did for you. So remember, if you're in the park watching my video, drink a lot of water. Good for you.